How you doing? This is John Sweeney. I'm the residential awning sales director with Furrion. Here to talk to you about a couple of our products today. This is our Furrion Lumina solar powered awning. Right here's our solar array that we have here, very small and discreet. 24.5 inches long by 3 inches wide, powers a lithium ion battery in the housing right behind here. And then that powers our 12-volt motor inside the awning. This awning that we have for you today is a semi-cassette style awning, meaning it has a housing where the fabric rolls up inside there to protect it when it's not in use. It's a lateral arm style awning, which means there's no supports down to your deck or patio. You can walk around your deck or patio freely without any obstruction. It has adjustable pitch right here on the arms. The homeowner can adjust the pitch right there. It also has a built-in wind sensor, factory installed on the front bar to detect the awning shaking from the wind, sends a signal to the motor, tells the motor to close the awning. Now, let's tell you about our TVs. This over here is the Furrion Pro Series. This is our full sun Pro Series television, 2500 nits of brightness. It has adaptive brightness. When the sun hits this, there's a little sensor right here and it brightens right up like your cell phone does for you. We have impact rated glass on here. We cool this television different than other TVs on the market. Most are fan cooled. Even some of our other models are fan cooled with exhaust ports. This television has heat sinks on either side. So there's a big heat sink on that side and on that side of the television. So that allows us to cool the television more efficiently. So this can have an internal operating temperature up to 140 degrees. So you would have direct sunshine on this thing in a hot environment, and it won't have the isotropic blackout spots when the pixels start to shut down because the TV overheats. Doesn't happen with this television. All smart TV, all the apps loaded onto it, Wi-Fi connectivity. We use the WebOS operating system for you here, so it looks just like an LG television does when you turn it on. It operates just like that. So to learn more about Furrion, visit us on our website, furrion.com. Thank you so much.